Welcome to Blue Gums Tuitions. Today's topic is business environment. What is business? Business refers to an activity undertaken for the purpose of making profit. What are the components of a business? These are features and activities that characterize the operations of business. The following are the components. 1. Capital, which is also called equity or investment. 2. Assets. 3. Liabilities. 4. Expenses. 5. Income. 6. Transactions. Then we are going to explain each and every component in details. Capital, which is also called equity or investment. Capital is the amount that a business owes to the owner. For example, when you start a business, that amount that you invest in the business, basically the business owes you money for that investment that you put in that business. Second is assets. These are resources that are owned and used by the business to generate revenue or income. So anything that the business will use, as long as it generates revenue and income, that is called an asset. There are two types of assets. 1. Fixed or non-current assets, and current or circulating assets. So we are going to explain the two types of assets. 1. Fixed assets. These are assets which have a long life, bought with the intention to use them in the business and not with the intention to simply resell them, e.g. buildings, machinery, fixtures, motor vehicles. Second is current assets or circulating assets. These are assets consisting of cash, goods for resale, or items having a short life. So another business component is liability. Liabilities are resources owed by the business to other people or organizations. There are basically two types of liabilities. 1. Current and long-term liabilities. So I'm going to explain the two types of liabilities. 1. Current liability. Current liabilities are liabilities which are expected to be paid within a year. They are settled using current assets. For example, bank overdrafts, tax dues, accrued expenses. The other one is long-term liabilities. These are liabilities which are repaid over a long period or period exceeding one financial year. Examples are capital, bank loan, mortgage, debentures, bonds, and securities. Now we take a look at the accounting equation, which comprises of assets, capital plus liabilities, which can be in a form of equation like this. Assets is equal to capital plus liabilities. Then another component of a business is called expenses. This is a cost incurred by the business in running their operations. For example, electricity bills, motor vehicle repairs, salaries, discounts allowed. Lastly, income. This is a profit a company remains with after paying off all expenses from sales revenue. In summary, of a business environment, it comprises of capital, assets, liabilities, expenses, income. Then assets comprises of fixed assets, current assets. Then liabilities comprises of current liabilities, long-term liabilities. So this sums up the whole topic of business environment. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Au revoir.